Are you with me? Are you here? We're going to show you how to do your professional weather forecast assignment. If you'll go to Google Classroom, you will find that you have this Google document that you worked on last week, hopefully. When you open that up, you should, if all went as planned, you will have last week's information here in the forecast column. This was from any website, any weather app that you wanted to use. You put a forecast together for the weather that was supposed to happen on Sunday, May 20th. Well, on Monday, which most likely you'll be watching this today, on Monday, the weather on Sunday's actually already happened. So now it's our turn to go in and put in the actual column, the information that is here. Okay? So keep this pulled up in a tab. What I want you to do is go to open up another tab and type in weatherunderground.com. That's weatherunderground.com. When you go to this site, this has an archive of all the weather that's happened for the last like 30 years or something like that. Find this More tab right here, this pull-down menu. When you click it, scroll down to Historical Weather. Historical Weather allows you to type in a place and a date, and it will give you the weather information that was gathered on that particular day. So let's type in the zip code here at the school, 66212. And it should auto-populate here with Overland Park, Kansas. Go ahead and select that. And now we just need to tell it which date we want to look at. We are interested in May 20th of 2018. When you click Submit, it'll give you the weather information. Now, it's Friday for me, guys. This is like a time warp. So when I click on this, it's going to show me information about Sunday, May 20th for the last many, many years. But since it can't look into the future yet, I don't have all the data that you're going to have. So let me show you a different day. You should stay on Sunday, May 20th, but when I look at graduation, May 17th, which has already taken place, you'll notice that here I now have this actual column. Look at these pretty dresses. Those are really cute. This actual column gives us the weather data that happened on that day. So the maximum temperature on that day was 83 degrees Fahrenheit. So when I come back to my actual column here on my assignment, I type in 83, compare it to what it was over here. Now let me change something. I'm actually going to change something real quick. Let's say the forecast told me that it was going to be 80. That's a difference of 3 degrees. Now that's pretty darn close. If I walked outside, I don't know that I could tell the difference between 83 and 80. And so I gave them a grade of 2. This grading over here is your opinion based on the forecast compared to the actual. So 0, a grade of 0 would be they were way off. It was horrible. They forecasted 80 and it was actually 102, right? But since they were close but not exact, I gave them a score of 2. When I come back to Weather Underground, I see that the minimum temperature was 61. And so when I look at their forecast of 67, which I just made up, that's kind of a bigger difference. So I gave them a score of 1 out of a scale of 0 to 3. So I want you to go through and fill in all of the actual weather information that took place on Sunday, May 20th, using Weather Underground and all of the wonderful information that they have here. You won't need all of it. And that will then allow you to give a grade to whichever meteorologist or website or app you used to get your actual forecasting data. Remember, when you're finished, to go back to Google Classroom and make sure you click Turn In so that you'll show up in this Done column and get credit for it. All right, folks, please try and finish this today. Well, don't try, do it. Do it. Finish it today, okay?